you want increased engagement rate, higher conversions, and repeat customers, building an email list is going to do just that by maintaining direct communication with your target audience. Email lists are hugely valuable, providing you with a platform for nurturing relationships, telling stories, and promoting your products and services. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list with an audience that actually wants to hear from you. I'm Laura Bean, and this is Creative Little World. Before we get started, I like to warm us up with a riddle. So today's riddle is, what four-letter word can be written forwards, backwards, and upside down and still read the same from left to right? I'll let you think about that one and I'll tell you the answer at the end. Okay, so let's get started. So as I mentioned already, an email list is one of the most valuable assets you can have for your business. It allows you to stay in touch with your audience, build relationships, and promote products and services. So you know that they're important, but how do you build them? Lead capture is the method used to gather information from your audience, in this case, email addresses. Now for me, buying email addresses and adding people to your list that haven't asked to be on there is not only morally wrong, but it goes against regulations such as GDPR. With email providers, the bigger your list gets, the more you'll pay for your subscription. So why would you want people on there that are of no value to your business? Also, by building lists like this, you're in high risk of getting blacklisted, which means you'll no longer be able to send emails. So as much as I understand that we all want a big mailing list, go for quality over quantity. You'll get much higher open rates and more conversions. So the most common way to build an email list is with opt-in forms. This is where someone gives their email address to be part of your mailing list. The most simple way to do this is to add a subscription box to your website. You can also do this in a form of a pop-up. So when they land on your site or before they leave, it pops up and invites them to join your mailing list. The key here is to add some copy that is going to give them a reason to want to sign up. So don't simply put sign up to my mailing list. Give them a reason. Tell them what value you'll be sending them, the type of information they'll be receiving, how it's going to be helpful to them to be part of your email community. Give them a reason to be there. Next, use your social media channels to invite new subscribers. You're probably already doing work to build a following on social media. So next you want to move them from your social media onto your mailing list. Add links to your bios and pinned posts to invite people to subscribe. Again, don't forget to give them a reason for doing so. Opt-in forms on your website and social media channels are really simple ways to start building your mailing list. And use your social media every now and then to post an invite to subscribe. Okay, let's now talk about a few more advanced techniques for building that mailing list. Starting with lead magnets. Lead magnets are something you offer in exchange for your email address. It could be an ebook, a checklist, a free guide, perhaps even a free course. The key here is to offer something for free that your audience will snap up. So think about your target audience. What kind of information do they need? What could you give them for free that you could create into a lead magnet? Another great way to build your mailing list is to run a webinar or online event. Webinars are a great way to build a trusted audience and can add serious growth to your mailing list. Okay, now let's talk about competitions and giveaways. This is another great way to capture email addresses. You could offer people to win one of your digital products, perhaps a free place on your course. If you're a coach or consultant, a free one-to-one, or perhaps even a service you offer. I've run competitions before to win some blog posts from me. It's a great way for me to promote the services I do. So think about what you could offer as a prize. When you're promoting the competition, give them the option to join your mailing list. Not everyone's going to want to, and again, we don't want people on there who don't want to be there. But if they're interested in winning what you're offering, the chances are they're going to be interested in what else you have to offer. So give them the option to opt in at this point. Okay, so there you have it. Those are some strong ways to build an honest and healthy email mailing list. So just to recap, you want to add opt-in forms to your website and social media channels. Use your social media posts to invite people to to subscribe. Give them a reason to want to subscribe. Tell them what they're going to get from being part of your mailing list. Create a free lead magnet, so you're giving them an irresistible reason to be part of your mailing list. Host a webinar to attract more interest with your target audience, and again, invite them to opt in. And run a competition and invite those entrants to become part of your world. If you use all these methods and you're consistently asking people to subscribe, and more importantly, giving them a reason to, you'll soon build a healthy email list with a well-engaged audience. Okay, I hope that was really helpful. Before we go, I asked you a riddle at the beginning of this video. The riddle was, what four-letter word can be written forwards, backwards, and upside down and still read the same from left to right? Did you get it? The answer is noon. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you found it useful, please do give it a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more helpful content like this. If you want me to dive further into email marketing or topics around this area, drop a comment below and let me know what would be helpful for you to learn. Until next time, happy emailing.